Okay, go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to present The Budgie's New Friend by Fiona Wilby, Cameron Wilby and Sophie Pilling.
Hooray!
Cameron! Get your tail out your bottom. Let me see now. Hey, we need a friend. Hey, we need a friend. I've had an idea. What? Well, if we shoot seeds out the window, well, we get one. Okay, man. I think we got one.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there is now a break.
The Fiona will be, and the camera will
And the
be.
part one, the Budgies.
Fiona will be, Cameron will be, that's the break.
The Budgies. The Budgies part two.
CM. You put CM.
You're supposed to put look.
Look, there's a bird head this way.
Come on.
You start.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Hi. This is our friend, isn't?
Isn't
Isn't it?
Oh yeah. Embarrassing song.
Hi, I'm the new person.
Embarrassing song.
Hi, I'm the new person, and hi, I'm the new bird, and I come to stay. I'll throw you out today.
Thanks a lot for nothing. Let me see.
Are you my friend?
Maybe.
Why should I be your friend? I live here now. Why should I be your friend? I live here now. Bye.
Bye. The end.
Right, hold hands and hold hands now and take a bow. Very good, very good. Great.
Bravo!
Bravo!
Magnificent!
Next time next time the Budgies will return, and the chapter will be
Chapter 3.